The leveling gauge is a solution from Comenza designed to correct surface irregularities and ensure precise leveling of profiles in the 1400 and 1700 series. To determine whether a leveling gauge is needed, position the profile and perform a preliminary tightening of the anchors. Using a level, identify the area where the leveling gauge needs to be installed. Insert the leveling gauge fully if longitudinal leveling is required. Thanks to this system, the profile is completely seated, reducing torsion and the stress on the glass during installation. If the profile needs to be leveled transversely, insert the gauge up to the cutting zone and apply upward pressure to break off the excess. It is a highly flexible accessory as you can use the full gauge, just the cut section, combine thicknesses of 1 and 2 mm, or even level in both directions simultaneously if the surface requires it. Once the profile is fully leveled, proceed with the final tightening of the anchors.